Well, good morning, everybody. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the office building and shop we just leased for our woodworking business, hot shotting business, and we're starting a wellness center. Give you a quick tour. So as you come in the front door, here's the one office space. We're going to put an office here in this corner. It's going to be your long, narrow one. I'm thinking that it's going to be for the stuff I got going on in the shop, which would be another tour. We're going to do an office here. I'm going to frame up a wall across and then over, so turn that into an office. Remove that door. Same thing over here, frame in a big office. These lights can be moved up in the ceiling. You just move them over a panel. So that'll all work out. Here's the bathroom. So we'll put shelving and stuff in there, obviously. Or a cabinet. There's the sink. No mirror, which is alright. I have one at home I can put a frame around and put up. Here is the other side. So you walk through the doorway, back up here, we'll have to put something here. So you walk through this door, there's like the water meter closet and stuff. Front entrance. So I can turn the light on. So you walk in the front door over here. This is going to be the side with the storefront. So we'll have like natural health products for sale. So I'm thinking from about that heater over to that corner before that little closet area, we'll frame out an office. So this will be like you walk in, this will be the storefront, probably do some sort of reception area. Well, obviously we'll have to, but it's probably going to have a desk coming out from this wall. Then they can sit over in that corner, have their computers. That back there is a shop. The owner of the building's cleaning company runs out of that bay. So this, we'll have to put a door there or something. We'll figure that out. Here's the other bathroom. This small little bathroom. It's good enough. So I'm going to start doing the layout now. Throw some tape on the carpet, get a rough idea, and we'll pick it up there. So you walk in the front door. Not too sure about reception area on this side yet. We'll see. Might be, probably going to be on the other side. There'll be a bit of a storefront here, both sides. Office there. So this one's going to be 5'10" by 12. That's about all I can do with that. 8 feet by 8 feet. 8 feet by 8 feet. So there'll be a pod in this room. Ozone pod in this room. Come through here. We'll do something with that, obviously. Take the door off. Water meter room, like I said earlier. Entrance through there. That heater will get moved, that thermostat will get moved. 8 foot by 8 foot room here. Vitamin bag infusion and Eurowave room. The vitamin bag infusion is only going to be a couple of days a week. And then I believe that one's going to be a masseuse room. And that one's also 8 by 8. Over there, that'll be doored off walled off for a closet, for like towels and stuff. That's a shop back there. There's a bathroom there. And then here, you walk in the front door. Over here, so there'd be like a boot rack and stuff here on the left. Over here on the right, I'm not sure, we'll do like coats and stuff maybe. And you come in here, and this will all be like a storefront. Reception desk probably sticking out here. Huh. There we go.